Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savannah, there lived a family of elephants. They were a close-knit group, with each member having a unique personality. There was the wise old matriarch, who always knew the right path to take. There was the playful youngster, who loved to splash in the mud and chase the zebras. And there was the brave leader, who led the herd on their daily journeys. One day, the elephant family encountered a pack of hungry lions. The brave leader stepped forward, ready to face the lions head-on. But instead of attacking, the lions began to circle around the elephants as if they were performing a dance. The elephants were puzzled, but the brave leader realized that the lions were actually trying to communicate with them. The brave leader approached the lions, and with a gentle nudge, he began to understand their language. He learned that the lions were asking for help. Their pride had been weakened by a recent drought, and they needed the elephants' help to find water. The brave leader agreed, and together, the elephants and lions set off on a journey to find water. Along the way, they learned to respect and understand each other. And when they finally found the water, they celebrated together, their friendship forged in the heat of the African sun. And so, the story of the elephants and the lions became a legend, a testament to the power of understanding and friendship. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, lived a family of playful raccoons. They loved to play hide and seek, and they were the best at it. But one day, they decided to take their game to a whole new level. They decided to play hide and seek with the birds. And boy, were they in for a treat. The birds were quick, and they had the best hiding spots. The raccoons tried their best, but the birds were just too fast. But that didn't stop our raccoon friends. They were determined to win the game. So, they came up with a plan. They decided to play hide and seek with the animals who lived in the forest. And guess what? They won. And that, my little friends, is how our raccoon friends became the champions of hide and seek in the forest. Thank you for joining us on this fun-filled adventure. Remember, always play fair and have fun with your friends, no matter what species they belong to. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun.